morning! Welcome to our day 2 here at Spectrum of the Seas, Royal Caribbean Cruise. We are at sea today. So ayan, I think that is Taiwan. We are already in Taiwan area. Bukas kami magda-dock sa Okinawa, Japan. So now, since we're at sea, we just slept in actually. Hindi kami nakapag-breakfast. Hindi na namin talaga binalak mag-breakfast. We wanted to rest. So ngayon, magla-lunch na lang kami. They have breakfast from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then it's lunch from 11:30 to 2:30 p.m. And then dinner starts from 5 p.m. to 8:15 dun sa buffet, but the main dining has 3 seatings, yung 4 o'clock, 6:30, and 8:15 until 10 p.m. But in between those times, kapag magutom kayo, marami pa rin ibang complimentary places where you can eat or have a snack. They have Sorrento's, the pizza place, which is open until 2 a.m. actually. And then there's also the Seaplex Doghouse that serves nice hot dogs, American hot dogs, and they're open until 5:30 p.m. And there's also Cafe 270 that serves sandwiches, snacks, pika-pika, mga ganyan. They're open for breakfast from 7 to 9:30 and lunch 11 to 2:30 or 3 o'clock, mga ganon. So that's what we like actually about cruising. Marami ka ng activities na magagawa dito sa ship. And you already have complimentary food 24 hours a day actually during your stay here in the ship. Later on, I will share with you kung magkano yung nagastos namin dito sa cruise namin. Kasi we're a total of 19. Wala kaming internet. Kailangan ko pa siyang i-compute so I can give you yung tamang amount para meron kayong idea kung magkano yung magagastos nyo. But then again, we like it because meron ka ng hotel and then may free food pa kayo during your whole stay. So parang kasama na yun lahat sa expenses. Okay, so now, we will go to lunch. We plan to go to lunch at Windjammer, but we can also go to lunch at main dining. Yun yung sit-down place. Pero ngayon, we are in the mood for buffet. We'll see you there. Ang hangin. We're here na sa Windjammer. Surprisingly, for a peak lunch period, wala masyadong tao. Yan. So, we'll go to our table first. We found them here na. And we'll have lunch. Yeah. Okay. Ang hirap maglakad, tinatangay kami. Maalon. Hindi mo alam kung pupunta ka sa left, pupunta ka sa right. Nakakahilo. There! Hello! Let's check out the lunch being served today here at Windjammer. This is what I got for lunch. Ayan, fish fingers, french fries. I got curious with this. This is shrimp mayo with arugula something. And the dumpling. Their dumplings are good. Ito, nahihilo. Sa sobrang alog ng barko. Hindi makakain. So again, here in Windjammer, it's complimentary. So they have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Hi, girls! We'll have lunch first. Hello, we're already done with lunch. Ship time is actually 2:30 p.m. already because naka-Japan time na kami. Anyway, punta muna kami sa room kasi yung boys are still there sleeping, so we'll check on them first. Pero sobrang alog ng ship ngayon. Actually, yung mga bata, hilong-hilo kanina dun sa Windjammer, hindi sila makakain. I don't know if you can hear. Kung naririnig niyo yung creaking sound ng ship. Kasi sobrang alog niya. Grabe. Ang hirap maglakad. Anyway, after this, we'll try to visit Solarium, which is the indoor pool for adults ng Royal Caribbean. So, dun kami tatambay for today. Andito na kami sa room. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Grabe naman pala kasi yung lakas ng alon ngayon, oh. Ah, look at that! Oh, look! Malakas nga yung alon. This is the the most shaky cruise so far namin, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, with Royal Caribbean. Pinakamalikot. Anyway, we'll go around and look for the others. We'll check out Solarium. We're back here sa Deck 14. Papunta kaming Solarium. Solarium is here. This is Windjammer behind me. And Solarium is there on the other side. And then here also, ay, andito pala yung mga seniors. Anong ginagawa niyo dito? Andito pala sila. Meron din ditong Splash Away Cafe. These are also complimentary. May snacks. Dito pala nagme-merienda itong mga to, kakagaling lang sa buffet. Andito ulit. Ah, wala. Kami naman, punta ng Solarium. Naka-ready na, magsi-swimming. This is the pool deck. Ito yung kids area. And this is the pool. Parang sarado. Yeah, naka-block off ngayon yung pool. And that one is the North Star. Pero may bayad. Meron ding complimentary ice cream dito sa Deck 14. We'll get ice cream first. There, we'll get ice cream. What's the flavor? Chocolate, chocolate, and vanilla. I'll get vanilla. Vanilla. Pinoy po?
Yes po, ma'am.
Hello! Hi, Ron! Hello sa vlog. Hello, Ron. Here's ice cream. Thank you. Ito naman yung indoor pool. Ito yung open. Ang daming tao. Kasi malamig. Ito yung Solarium. This is exclusive for adults 18 and above. So kids are not allowed inside. This is how it looks like. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano ka-relaxing dito sa Solarium. Tada! Pagkatapos ng buffet, ayan, nakatulog na. Andito na din sila. Yeah. Oo. Sa doghouse. Saan? Wow. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Sinarado nila yung pool dito kahit sa Solarium kasi ang lakas talaga ng alon. Oh, look at the water. Ang lakas. Tingnan nyo kung sino na yung nandun. Kung anong ginagawa nila. Is this the wet area? Splash zone? Oh my God! I cannot! It's really a splash zone. Na-shock ako. Ganyan kalakas yung waves. Ganda ng pwesto nyo, ah. We're done with solarium. We will be going back to the room already because it's 5 p.m. And it's dress your best night tonight. That's the theme. So mag-aayos na kami. Ready for dinner because our dinner is at 6:30 p.m. Outfit check nga pala for our dress your best night or formal night. So we are on our day 2 and ngayon yung formal night. Yan. This is what we are wearing tonight. So every cruise, meron siya normally one night na you are requested to dress formally. Pero hindi naman siya required. But we always join the fun also for the experience. Walking to the main dining na our time kasi is 6:30. So someone has to be at the table within 15 minutes para they won't let our table go to the walk-in people. We're here at the main dining. Ayan sila. Hello! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! This is how the dining room looks like right now. It's New Year's Eve! It's New Year's Eve nga pala. Goodness! Hey! Where'd you get those? Ah! Nice! May ganito! We have hats! That's so nice naman. Happy New Year! Look at the setup of the table. Ganito yung menu namin ngayon. Nice. What's the menu? Can I see it? Here, New Year's menu for tonight. They have beef Wellington actually for tonight. There. That's our menu. Grabe, New Year's Eve na. Nawala sa isip namin, it's New Year's Eve. Teka lang, may tutorial pong nagaganap dito.
Okay, I'll go.
Ma, naging senior kayo, hindi kayo marunong magtorotot? Nandito na yung appetizer namin. Again, for tonight, it's escargot. But I ordered one more, si beef tartar. And this looks interesting. George got
The fried brie.
fried brie. Ayan siya. Let's try. Manghingi tayo kay Daddy.
Yeah, fried cheese.
After ko yan.
Ang harap.
Mahilig ko sa cheese.
Yeah. Ang sarap pala na iprito ng brie. This is my second appetizer, si beef tartar. Let's try. Sarap.
Yung beef tartar, no?
Ito na rin yung main dish ko, si beef Wellington. There's baked salmon. That one is Hanuka. Oh. Let's try the beef Wellington. I'll show you.
Isang order lang. Isa slice lang. Hindi. Alam mo, ang ano lang doon.
Masarap. Kahit yung crust niya, masarap. It's good, it's good.
So, kayo nag-steak naman tayo sa Alfredo ng buka.
This is my dessert, creme brulee. Favorite din namin to dito kay Royal Caribbean. And then si Jarrell gave us a lot of extra desserts. He gave us this one spice cake, and another royal chocolate cake. Yeah, the Happy New Year cake. Daddy has it also. Is it
Yes,
good?
it's good.
Ha?
So far, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko.
Ah. How's your food? Grabe, yung isa naming dalaga, oh, bagsak, hilong-hilo.
Kunin mo yung crust.
Sobrang likot ng barko ngayon. Hello! We're already back in the room. We're done with our New Year's Eve dinner. We just plan to watch the show later at 9:15. Kung nasa mood pa lahat manood ng show because this cruise is very different for all of us. Kasi sobrang likot ng barko. It's like half of the group are not feeling well right now. Seryoso, ganun kalikot yung barko. Tinatangay ka. So, half of the group are not feeling well because they're dizzy, halos nagsusuka na, masakit ang ulo. Kaya, most of the time, nandito lang kami sa kwarto and nagpapahinga. Okay, so, hopefully, we will be able to join the New Year's Eve party later, yung New Year's salubong sa Royal Esplanade. Yun yung celebration ni Royal Caribbean. Hello! Dahil 9:15 pa yung show na papanoorin namin, pero wait lang, may nakita ako. Hello! Titingnan muna namin yung mga pictures na kinunan sa amin dito sa ship, dito sa 5th floor, sa photo gallery. But look, naka-ready na yung balloons for the New Year's Eve party later. So, dito yung New Year's Eve party. May countdown to 2026. We'll join the countdown party later. Ito naman si Schooner Bar, but it's not complimentary. Minsan, meron din siyang music, may nagpapiano, may tumutugtog, ganyan. But ngayon, tahimik, wala. And sa tabi niya, ito si photo gallery, si Focus Photo Gallery. So, dito nyo pwedeng makita yung mga pictures na tinitake ng mga official photographers ni Royal Caribbean. So, what you do is, you tap your SeaPass card. Yan. Tapos lalabas na lahat ng photos na naka-charge sa room ninyo. There. Yan yung mga pictures namin.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. That's the one I drink a little more. I'm chewing forever, time is gone, that can't be measured.
Hello, tapos na yung showgirl dito sa Royal Theatre. Ayan. Dito kami sa Deck 5 na Royal Theatre nanood. Kumusta yung show?
Tanungin mo sarili mo.
Nakatulog ako. Only because yung ship ang likot. So, actually, sinadya akong itulog. Kasi mahihilo ako. Oo, kasi nakaupo eh. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung galaw ng barko. Kung hindi, baka ako naman yung mag-ganon mamaya. Kailan New Year na New Year, tsaka kami lahat wala sa wisyo. Anyway, balik muna kami sa room and then we'll get ready for the New Year's Eve party later. Ito na si Schooner Bar. May tumutugtog na. Diba kanina nung dumaan kami, wala pa. Very quiet pa siya. Ngayon may nagpapiano na. Ang daming nagvi-video dito sa Bionic Bar. Yung robot na bartender. Ayan, sila yung magtitimpla ng drinks. Ang dami ng tao. Hello! Time check, it's 11:30. We are already here at the Royal Esplanade and we will be joining the New Year countdown party. Ayan na yung mga tao. There's the countdown, 30 minutes. May pa-champagne for New Year. You're awake.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, he is the master of the vessel. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on the stage your Captain Fleming.
Captain!
Hi to everyone.
Hi, Captain!
Hi, Captain!
Surprise from our captain. You ready? You want it?
Yeah!
with the New Year's Eve party here at Royal. Oh my goodness, it's 2026 already. First time, of course, namin na ma-experience na mag-New Year sa barko. Although unfortunately, hindi kami kompleto kasi isa-isa kaming sinasamaan ng pakiramdam dahil sa sobrang alog talaga ng ship. I cannot stress it enough. Sobrang likot ng barko ngayon, my goodness. Anyway, it's 12:16 already. So we're going to rest na din because tomorrow we will be docking already at Okinawa. So yun yung first port namin. We will go down at Okinawa, Japan.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Good night! Happy New Year! Bye! Happy New Year! Good night! See you tomorrow, Okinawa.
Yes, see you Okinawa. Good night! Happy New Year again! Good morning, everyone! Happy New Year! It's January 1, 2026 today. First day of the year and we are docking at Okinawa, Japan. I can already see the island over there. Time check, it's 11 o'clock Japan time. This is our outfit for today. Nag-change outfit kami kasi apparently it's going to rain the whole day here in Okinawa. So I have to wear my jacket with a hoodie. Buti na lang may nadala ko. And a sweater with my jeans. And I'm wearing my waterproof Vivaya boots kasi nga maulan. Weather check kasi it's 17 degrees but real feel is 13 degrees. So ito na ring puffer jacket yung sinuot ko just to be sure. Anyway, so yung instructions dito kay Royal Caribbean, for those who are traveling independently to Okinawa, one representative per room has to go down from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. to get an immigration pass. Para yun yung tatawagan kung anong group kayo pagbaba ng immigration. So kaninang 9 a.m. bumaba sina Daddy at saka sina Buday sa main dining sa deck 4 to get our immigration pass and they already got number 57. Those who are going out independently will have to go through a face-to-face immigration. So pagbaba namin mamaya, dadaan daw kami ng immigration pa going out of Japan. And since we don't have our passports with us, kinuha ni Royal Caribbean, what we need is yung pinotocopy namin upon embarkation. So yun yung copy na dadali namin and then dun sila magtatatak sa immigration ng entry to Japan. And for tax-free purposes, yun din daw yung ipapakita sa mga shops kapag nag-shopping kayo sa Okinawa for tax refund. Kailangan din dalhin your SeaPass card. So those will be your proof of identification while you are in Okinawa if you're part of a cruise. And then, yung pagbaba namin, yung schedule is between 12 o'clock to 2 p.m. Yun lang yung immigration schedule. If you miss that schedule, that means you also forfeit your chance to go down to Japan kahit tomorrow sa Ishigaki. Because if I remember correctly, isang beses lang kami dadaan ng immigration, which is today. And that will also include yung pagbaba namin tomorrow sa Ishigaki. So if you don't go to immigration today, yung 12 to 2 p.m., that means you will not be able to go down to Ishigaki tomorrow as well. I will tell you more about it later pag dinaanan na namin sila. And make sure to listen to the announcements also sa PA system kasi doon nila ina-announce kung ano yung gagawin during the port visit. So for now, we will try to catch a quick breakfast at the Windjammer before we do our immigration process. See ya! We're already having breakfast. So far, kasi it's breakfast to lunch, extended. More or less, it's the same as yesterday lunch. Meron lang mga ibang different na pagkain. Like ngayon may pork chop, may ibang klaseng dumpling, ibang klaseng pancit. But the others, like the pasta station is the same. There's roast beef also yesterday. There's burgers, hot dogs. The breads are the same. Kaya lang nagmamadali kami. Kaya okay na din. Basta makakain bago kami bumaba. Hello! We went back to the room first. They're starting to announce already the immigration numbers. So we have to wait for our turn before we go down to deck 4 for the face-to-face immigration. Yung mga may tour, yung may kumuha ng shore excursion and travel agency, may separate instructions daw sila. So if ever you're going to get a tour, check the instructions with your travel agency or the shore excursions. Yun yung susundin ninyo. Another thing, there's also a customs declaration pala na iniiwanan nila dito sa room for Japan. So kasama to dun sa ipepresent mamaya sa immigration. 1 per family lang naman yung kailangan mag-fill up ng customs declaration. Nakalagay naman yung instructions din sa kanya. So, ito yung itsura niya. We're out of the ship! So far, lumabas lang kami sa gangway. I think the immigration is there in that tent. Doon yung face-to-face immigration. We'll see. So, sa ngayon, yung SeaPass card pa lang yung present namin. So this is the port of Okinawa. Unfortunately, it's gloomy weather today, but it's windy. Buti na lang, nag-puffer jacket ako. Mas malamig dito sa baba kaysa dun sa balcony namin sa ship. Sinungaling yung balcony namin. Malamig pala.
Usually the other way around.
Yeah, malamig
Windy
pala.
down here.
There's our ship, Spectrum.
So do you like the wave swept hair or no?
We're out of the immigration. Dito sa tent, dito yung immigration. May i-attach silang sticker dun sa likod ng passport copy. And then you do your fingerprint scan. And now we're out. Ang daming tao, nakapila. We will check first kung magbabus kami. Kung paano yung bus or if you will take Uber. Hello, we're already here. Pagpasensya niyo na aking naka-hairdo na. Diba? Grabe. Free hairstyling yung hangin dito sa port. Anyway, meron siyang option dito ng bus transfer. $15 round trip per person to Kokusai Dori. Pero nung kinumpute namin, mas mura lumalabas si Uber. So, nag-Uber na lang kami. Meron naman kasi silang Taxi XL, good for 5 people. Sana lang may mag-accept. So, we'll see. Babalitaan namin kayo kung successful kami sa aming Uber. Hello. Mukhang sawi kami kay Uber. Ayan, hindi kami makakonect and they're rejecting kasi wala kaming mabook. So, nakapila na rin kami dito sa bus. Ang haba din ng pila sa taxi. Tapos, wala na rin dumadating na taxi. So, malamang mag-bus na lang kami just to be able to get to the city. Hello, we're already here in the bus. We ended up taking the bus kasi if you will see, wala nang dumadating na cab. Ang haba pa rin ng pila. Tapos si Uber, wala rin nag-accept sa amin, ang tagal. It's 2:30 already. So, mauubusan na kami ng oras. So, we ended up getting the bus na lang. It's $20 and then yung charge niya is sa SeaPass card. So, sa ship yung charge naman niya. Tingnan natin kung saan kami bababa, yung drop-off point. Sabi naman nila it's within the international shopping street na. That's our ship over there. That's Spectrum of the Seas. Bumaba na kami sa bus. Dito yung babaan niya. And Kokusai Dori Street is over there, dun sa may A&W. Nandyan lang din naman pala siya. They all want to eat at Ichiran?
Yes.
Ichiran. And I think ito na yung si Kokusai Dori Street. So dito lang din naman kami maglalakad. Unfortunately, lumalakas yung ulan. And then the bus stop is here in this area. So dito kami babalik mamaya. Welcome to Okinawa! Ayan, this is Kokusai Dori Street. Nandito na yung mga shops. So, titingnan lang namin kung ano yung mga madadaanan namin dito. Buti nakabukas yung mga shops na iba kasi it's January 1.
Yeah.
Eh di ba pag January 1, si Japan, sarado sila, it's the public holiday. So actually, nag-worry din kami na January 1 kami bababa ng Okinawa. So buti na lang, marami din naman bukas. Oh, there's Donkey na. That's Donkey. Where's Ichiran?
Ay, nabi.
Ba't kayo nandito?
Naantay ko lang.
Inahanap din niya? Yay! We found it! It's Shiran! Where is it?
Here.
And there's Family Mart beside it. There's a line. Let's see. We're already here lined up at Ichiran. Pinahaba namin yung pila. Ayan sila. All the way there. There. Malayo pa ba? Let's check kung mahaba pa. Parang isang pababa na lang. May pababa pa. 3 floor. Down. Joke lang. Isa na lang. Parang ito naman na yung endong line. Tapos pasok na sa loob, no?
Yeah.
Kasi yun na yung counter for pay. Hindi ko alam kung pagbayad, meron pa ring waiting doon sa loob. Parang yung kami ni Nomar, nabudol kami.
Yeah.
Roller coaster ride pala pagkatapos naming magbayad. So hopefully here, this is it na lang. We're already here. Mabilis lang naman yung wait time. This is their menu. There.
Oh, you ordered 2. You ordered 2.
Dalawa yung egg mo, Teo?
Yeah, I remember
Huh?
I always get them.
Okay. Mauubos mo yan, ha? Okay. Press pay. Cash. So yung kay Teo is total of 2,500 yen. Ang tatakaw ng mga anak ko. Okay. You get the tickets. May free photo op pala dito.
Ichiran ramen.
May costume. Pwedeng isuot.
Yeah. Free.
Part-timer. May pila pa rin pala dito. We're already here. Ayan na. We'll enjoy our lunch first. Hello, we're already done with Ichiran. Ngayon naman, Donkey na lang kami. Kasi time check, it's 5 o'clock na. Latest namin dapat na nasa bus stop mga 7:30 para may allowance pa kami kasi baka hindi kami magkasya kung marami nang pabalik. So magka-quick shop na lang kami sa Donkey muna. Ayan, si Donkey. It's just mga 200 meters away kay Ichiran. Same road, yung main road, the shopping street ni Kokusai Dori. Dito sa tabi ni Don Quixote, meron din parang mini market, oh. May mga street food. Ayan, oh. Diba? Let's see what it is. Ayan, oh. May mga tinda. There's an arcade. But we will go here. Yun nga, unfortunately, maulan the whole day. So, we'll go inside na. Bye! We'll see you later. We will shop first. Hi! Hello, we're done with Donkey already. Unfortunately, it's raining hard pa din. Pabalik na kami ng ship. It's almost 7 o'clock. Mag-quick stop lang kami sa Family Mart. And then, we have to go back to the bus stop na so that we have time to go back to the ship. Kasi every 30 minutes yung bus. Okay, this is Okinawa at night. Pero busy pa rin siya kahit na malakas yung ulan. Here. Anyway, success na kami sa Family Mart. So, pupunta na kami dun sa bus stop. Doon na kami magkikita-kita ng ibang kasama namin. Nandito na kami sa bus stop ulit. Wala man lang tayong picture. Hindi man lang kami nakapag-picture-picture dito sa Okinawa. Kasi umuulan din eh. Ang hirap din mag-ikot. Ang lakas ng ulan. Anyway, pabalik na kami ng ship.
Saan yung ticket?
Back in the ship. Ayan na. Paakyat na kami. Time check is 8 o'clock.
We're still early.
Yeah, still early. 9:15 actually yung last call, pero ayaw namin sagarin kasi mahirap nang maiwanan. Ano na, kaya ko ng hangin. Ano ba yan? Okay. So, balik na kami sa taas. Nakaka-stress. Ang lakas kasi ng ulan. So, parang nakakapagod mag-ikot sa Okinawa. Madali ang ikot lang.
Pushing me.
Ayan na sila. Ito pala sila mga na-wheelchair gang. Hi! Hello! We're already here at Windjammer. We're going to have dinner first. Ngayon, late open pala si Windjammer. They open until 10 p.m. dahil late yung dating ng mga tao. Si main dining kasi is only until 9 and it's already 8:30. So we have more time to eat dito. Let's check naman kung ano yung dinner menu nila. Ngayon lang kami magdi-dinner kay Windjammer. May paluto steak pala dito. There's chicken breast, steak, or salmon. Here, sa dulo.
Tired.
Nakaka-stress kasi yung ulan, no? Tapos sila may tinutulak pa. Hello, we're already having dinner here at Windjammer. In fairness, masarap yung steak na pinaluto namin. Even the grilled veggies are good. The satay beef is also good. And the beef ampalaya, ang sarap. Parang lahat naman, no? Masarap, yeah. Yung dinner. Kasi parati kaming sa main dining kumakain. Meron namang nights talaga na masarap din yung menu nila dito sa Windjammer. Hindi lang namin natatry. Okay, we'll have our dinner first.
Eat.
By the way, sabi nilang lahat, bago kami makatito, busog sila ha.
Oo nga. Kaliwa, kapi lang ako.
Kakain niyo pala.
See ya!
Yeah, bye-bye.
Hello, we just finished watching The Goddess actually sa Royal Theatre, yung headliner show for tonight. She was actually good. Si Monique Luwalhati, The Goddess, yung band na pangalan niya. Now they're done. So lumipat naman kami dito sa Cafe 270. This is Cafe 270. It has a good view of the ocean outside.
You can still see Okinawa.
Okinawa. They have the silent disco tonight. Oh, look. Wala kayo naririnig, di ba? Pero, yeah, jamming. Yung mga ladies namin, nakapila pa doon for the headphones. Nauna pa sila doon sa mga girls. Nandito na silang dalawa. Paano mo palitan?
You don't have to shout. This one.
Oh, di ba? Hello, we're already back in the room. Time check, it's almost 1 a.m. na pala. Because after the silent disco, nagsurentos pa kami ulit to get some snacks. Parang nagiging tradisyon namin yun dito sa Royal Caribbean Cruise. Bago kami bumalik ng kwarto, nagbi-midnight snack kami sa Sorrentos because their pizza is really good. So ngayon, kakabalik lang namin sa room. It's already 1 a.m. Anyway, it was Okinawa Day today. Again, unfortunately, it was raining, so ang hirap mag-ikot. And nahirapan din kaming kumuha ng Uber kanina. So we ended up taking the bus. Again, it's for $20 per person round trip. Naisip din namin na mahirap kumuha ng Uber because it's New Year. It's January 1. Baka konti lang yung lumabas na mga Uber rides kanina sa Okinawa. Anyway, okay naman yung bus. Naging convenient din naman for us. Para yung pabalik din namin sa ship, hindi na kami ng problema. We just had to go back to the bus stop kasi baka mahirapan din naman kaming kumuha pala ng taxi and Uber going back to the port naman. Tomorrow, we are docking at Ishigaki naman. No need for immigration anymore because we already have our stamp sa aming passport. So we just need to bring the copy of the passport again going down and our SeaPass card. So that's it for today. Happy New Year to everybody. Good night.